cite the date that we did that.
Yeah. So it's not it didn't be a long time ago.
You and Mandy are all trying to figure out something back and forth. That you said Mandy has some questions or whatever. She will be here tonight with some questions.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I did. It decided to because my one of my acting was pretty second trumpeter. But you know what? After you get over outer here, there's a lot of kids out there for the conversions.
Which is in October. And we're talking again about our hero, Ernst Dudette, the fabulous pilots. And I said that you told me all of Ernst's airplanes were rad.
He liked red airplanes, yes. And there's I have a decal by his racing days, and it's from a draw decal or something. And they say it's not known because that's just like dark blue, like a dark grayish blue. A lot of their stuff, but Dudette liked the airplane. Right. But he was forever. Yeah. So I think the short answer is either one. Nobody really knows.
I get to play with the Stratton up north. One of their events. All favorites. I'm the only one. All favorites is one of their members.
Howdy, TikTokers. This is the Museum of Flight. This is the Model Expo that is going on here today. As you can see, that is the real SR-71 Blackbird right there. And so anyway, I have got my building space right here. As you can see, I'm setting up and getting ready for the show. Now, the cool thing about the show is that I think it starts at 10 and goes to 8 o'clock or 9 tonight. And so I also have two tables over here. As you can see, I have most of the Star Wars stuff posted up on these two tables, which is very interesting and very cool indeed. But as you can see, I am the only custom model builder here. These guys all have kits, except that guy's wood stuff over there. That is all handmade as well. But there's an AT-AT walker, and there's mine over there. But anyway, I'm going to be live at the show today, you guys, and I have power, so I should be able to run the camera the whole show. If you'd like to come in and watch, please feel free. But my moderators are the ones who will be answering most questions for me. And so thank you all very much for your support, and I love you. You guys are fantastic human beings. Take care, Paper Army. Well, I'm going to try this again, you guys. I don't know what is going on with the talk. It sometimes just makes me ill. But as you can see, I'm back from the show. It was a fantastic Museum of Flight show. I'm really stoked about it. It was cool. Got to meet two of our Paper Army family fans that came to the show. Fantastic news. So they got autograph 1 and 2 from the Museum of Flight. Anyway, y'all, howdy TikTok family. This is my showcase at the Elma Fairgrounds for the Grays Harbor County Fair. I brought, as you know, the Star Destroyer and a lot of my other stuff. Not too many of you see the Avalon. That's kind of rare. But anyway, the concept tank, you all know about that. And anyway, if you get a chance and you're local, come see the fair in Elma. It's the Grays Harbor Community Fair. I think you'll love it. So you guys, any of you friends of mine in Puyallup and Olympia, etc., come on down. Take care, everyone. We love you a lot, and I'll see you Monday at noon. Howdy, everyone. I hope you had a fantastic weekend, y'all. As you can see, these are some of the awards that I have won at the fair. I'm at a new fair, and so it's going to be kind of interesting to see what happens. As you can see, I have Best of Class Educational Award, Best of Show, a Special Award, Creative Award. Anyway, this is the amazing stuff you can get wherever you are. If there's any kind of awards that can be won with your paper art, it's a brand new art form. And so everybody has a chance to do this fantastic stuff. I hope you all had a good weekend. I worked my buns off. But anyway, I love you all. Take care. I'll be live at noon Pacific Standard Time. Hope to see you all then. Salute, Paper Army.